this video I'm going to explain how you can view your Dasher Direct card number. So what you want to do is just load up the Dasher Direct app. Now not the Dasher app, but the Dasher Direct app, which has two cards as a symbol. And once we have the app open, now just refer us to this article here. So if you want to view your card number, your virtual card and your physical card will be the same. So to view your virtual card number, we want to tap on Manage Card, and then you will see an option called View Virtual Card. Now after we click on that, it's going to show us all of our virtual card information, so we can see the number and any other information like the expiration date, CVV, so on and so forth. So you can view all the information by clicking on View Virtual Card, and this is going to display your card and it's going to match your physical card. So if you're not active for more than 5 minutes, the screen will time out. It's just a safety precaution. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.